Shut your mouth!
Ah, yeah. Show the build-up again. Or maybe we get, like...
Damn.
Maybe we get, like,
Kimo's internal show us the spear all over again.
Slightly creepy. Ain't it weird that she kind of looked like Denji?
So you said she looked like Power last time, which does remind me more of Denji than Power.
And she's gotta have Aki live. Yeah.
It's so sad.
Is he gonna see it happen?
Her nail.
All it took was a fingernail?
Oh my god.
All it took, and that's what she
Just have to give something out.
I didn't realize it the first time.
all it took.
I don't think they should have done
Nah, you too strong, because you could grow that
Holy shit.
back. That's wild.
Well.
I never know if she actually saw it.
A finger.
Why is it doing where her face was,
Your
though?
whole effing arm.
That was a joke.
Nah, dude, that's a bomb.
Wait.
That's how the thing got
Shit.
Oh.
Wait.
He's gonna pull his ripcord one last time.
Oh, shit! Alright. Oh my god!
That's the last thing she did.
Oh.
That's
Yes, she
interesting.
did.
That's crazy.
Yes, she
Fuck
did.
them up, Denji.
Her last act
Yeah.
was too long. What a good one.
That's gonna be the reason he wins.
Oh, so if his head is out, this can like.
Oh, the music! Feels like some Doom Eternal shit. Oh yeah! Okay.
Unfortunately, the first thing she was.
Terminate with extreme prejudice.
I love because I
Ah! No OP, baby! We're going straight in!
God damn, living that song.
I don't think
Yeah, right.
it's gonna definitely happen.
And that's some bullshit.
She's like
It's like,
a fake enough.
alright, Savatari.
Fingernail tease.
Maybe that's what
I'd have a nail clipper.
sacrifice to use.
Oh, she killed him.
Oh, reinforcements needed, okay.
I didn't hear the first
Oh,
part.
it's just a little alarm.
He's running!
Well, she knows that she is reinforcement.
Ah! Right?
Damn!
Reinforcement, just one.
He
Ah!
snuck it. Alright.
I honestly sacrificed.
Shit!
Bleeding out.
Whoa. Ooh, that's a good fight. It's crazy.
Same fighting style, same kind of body structure and everything.
Is he throwing swords? Is that the force of his swing?
Force him to swing.
How could you leave us, girl?
Dude, this is sick.
But better. What is going on?
I think these guys should be friends. They must have something.
Oh shit, okay.
That's the
okay.
reinforcement? Oh, nothing. Oh, dang, yeah, they did.
Well, yeah, they were useless. Yeah, let's go back
That was
into
the
it.
reinforcements.
They did, that's a good point.
Oh, they're supposed to get demons too.
Oh,
She's not working. They're not working for a conflict.
oh, damn.
Oh shit, shit,
Okay.
shit.
You've got to kill him.
Should change. Oh, you're right.
Oh, okay.
They don't care.
He took a hostage.
The scariest thing
Don't care.
actually cares. Oh, do you care?
He's got the lunge at you.
Try.
You guys done.
Behind you.
Behind
Oh,
Nothing personal. arsenal, kid.
Yeah.
Shit.
What about the blonde one?
This is insane.
You just killed my friend.
How many times are they gonna kill the main character, bro?
Power got away though.
Should be dead. Now there's one more. Aki Power? Oh, he's weakened.
No, but they're saying.
Oh my god.
Last time.
Oh, I see. He's going back to normal.
You could be right.
Okay, so
Oh shit, alright, where's Kobani?
Where's
Oh,
her?
no.
No, she's not.
That's not good.
Oh my god, was those brains like matter?
Shit.
Wow, that's the whole gang. What the fuck, dude? Jesus.
Fuck.
Spread the fear of guns.
And the train's still moving.
Yeah, hell yeah!
there we go. I was waiting for that.
Yeah! Y'all are dead! Y'all are dead!
We have guns. Now, would you have a bullets? And
Yeah.
When your guns are empty, I'm no longer standing.
Yeah.
Now question who always dead.
Oh.
Silver scars, twins or not.
Well, they had already. So they pay for the tickets.
They don't look like siblings.
She got shot.
Icarus family.
Makima just walks out covered in blood.
Yeah. With a generally pissed off expression on her face.
Right.
Thank you.
So what kind of devil is she?
Wow, the trains are
This just made me think I have a thing for shotties and
Yeah,
seats.
yeah.
Let's see.
In what?
Shotties and
dead
seats.
bodies.
Oh, yes. Is he just carrying a body? Oh, that's not good.
The lunch meeting is canceled.
And are those bullet holes?
Yeah, uh-huh. Oh my god!
Holy shit.
She hollowed them! She fucking hollowed them!
I
Oh, the
appreciate
witnesses. No witnesses.
1, 2, 3, 4. Just no
done,
questions.
done, and done.
Done.
She killed innocent people to keep this a secret. She is a fiend.
I don't quite know if she killed everybody.
I think she killed anyone that saw her shot and come back to life.
They only showed 4 bodies. I wish they panned out. Those 4 bodies were the 4 who shot them.
Wait, what? Wait, why?
Suicide Squad.
Oh shit.
What is going on?
They're making a special deal.
What is she about to do?
Alright.
Oh, I'm so
Okay.
excited for whatever's gonna happen here.
Yo, equivalent exchange, she will bring everybody back to life. That's insane.
That's pretty fucked up.
Not the last meeting.
They should know it too.
Here's the convicts.
Well, this is the question, though, is if they're making a deal, that makes sense, right? But
Someone got to put it together.
Give them
Ain't
30
that
people.
fugitive
well, right,
activity?
but how do you make the choice that you can give
Right.
these people? Like, shouldn't they be the ones making the choice?
Yeah.
That feels really fucky and really like,
You make them an offer of like, hey, we will make sure your families are taken care of or something
yeah,
like
we'll
that.
pay you,
Yeah.
and that money will go to your families and stuff. So what's your deal, Makima?
Don't know what was done to her. Or who she is or
Okay.
I see.
Man, something fucked up about happened.
Is she gonna eat them? imagine?
Whatever she's about to do,
Whatever about to happen.
I think everybody's about to come back to life, or she's about to get massive.
I wonder if there's like rumors of this kind of thing happening before.
Yeah, exactly.
And they're gonna be like, "Oh shit, I know what this is."
Yeah, I think that guy might have.
He might have a
clued in.
suspicion or something.
Actual devil or
Oh, this is
The way he's kind of stumbling a little bit, like
Uh-huh.
he's still hurting a bit. Yeah, I'm gonna be out of action.
Right. I would hope so. And then hammer splat.
Oh, you about to get fucked up.
This is a bad sign for all of you.
Oh.
Good day for the crows.
Is my girl power? Why do I don't know? And here I don't Makima somehow. I mean, maybe. God,
Oh.
maybe.
Can she fuck with the blood that's in their bodies?
Like I burns. Or sacrifices.
Yep.
Oh!
Fuck yeah.
Is this power?
Yeah.
Power, let's go!
Yes.
Boys.
Oh!
Is that blood? Did Power do that?
He just got juiced.
Did Power make him like mad?
Oh, it's
Oh,
Makima's ability.
Makima.
That's like verified.
Okay.
They had to make sure she was taken
Is
out.
Makima telekinetic? Holy shit.
That's how she needs 30 bodies. Damn.
Is she like? Is it one
It's a
convict
contract.
per
She don't
just
give up her own body.
death?
Oh, she gives up. Oh my god.
Jesus.
Oh, maybe she needed a high temple to have line of sight.
Sure.
Reminds me of The Witcher. And her
Oh,
crow-
that's why there's crows.
So she can
They're
see.
seeing where.
the targets are. Oh my goodness.
Oh, they're not allowed to see. They're not allowed to see this.
Yeah, yeah.
Ah, she's top shit.
Oh.
Gotcha.
Makes sense.
I mean, sacrifice. I think
Secrecy of these contracts.
devil. Yeah.
She's death noting them.
Okay, that's the person that dies.
Done.
Shiro was correct.
He's done for it.
Done. Done.
Oh my god.
Holy shit.
She's literally squishing them. She's literally holding them from long range. Y'all need to
Holy
go
fuck.
home.
Oh my god.
What a. The crows.
I know, but that's what I'm wondering. I don't know.
Okay, this is like some
The
death
crows are like
note stuff.
watching them.
Fuck, man, this is crazy. What
Holy
is
shit.
What is shit?
So how did she survive that bullet? And as she's doing this to all these people, these guys are silent to them. They get taken.
It's kind of good because that's how
That's how
the other ones keep saying won't not say the thing.
Yeah, they won't
I'm
freak
not
out.
gonna listen to her. I hear them.
You
Everyone
should have gone for the head. Like that was. This is some Thanos just snap, snap, snap.
Oh my god.
Good question.
No, I don't.
She has some ideas. I'm looking at you.
Good thing she probably doesn't know your names.
Uh-huh.
What about them?
And yet I love it. They have no idea what the limitations of this are.
They just know it has to be Makima.
Probably.
They probably
yeah,
got
yeah.
intel on
Right.
Makima, you know?
Unfortunately.
Which is probably
There's
why
two
she was
bodies. There's
first.
two live people.
Sure.
He was begging for help.
More
like a bomb devil
explode.
explodes.
Same thing, like when the limitation is got blown up.
So they just dead.
You know what I
Yep.
mean?
Why did she leave?
I have so many thoughts and theories, but
So they're not gonna take the body?
They're like not sure if they can pick up Denji's body. They're like, can we? Like, it,
Sure, it might be
Helicopter.
in some ways that. Oh,
Oh, it's
Kobe.
right. That old lady went to
I
kill
was
him.
wondering if it was a
So he did die. I think I saw him get shot, but she didn't. Yeah, he died.
He took
Oh,
it from her.
all right, he saved her. Oh, what a
Right
guy!
there. Giving her
Oh,
enough time to react.
fuck your family.
and that gave her just enough time.
The walkie-talkie.
How they got the name?
But she's insane.
Tell him, Kobeni, best girl.
Oh. Okay, Kobeni. Whoa, fuck! Oh, she's alright! Oh.
okay, let's go.
Hey! Oh, alright. Oh, she's fishing with the knife.
Shit!
And the gun.
Oh! Oh!
Yeah.
So was she not being shot? She thought it.
Yeah, yeah, alright.
She's dead. Hold on. Oh, wait.
Not where they hired her.
You guys gotta run. Yeah.
In bed. She
Nah.
looks scared.
Yeah,
She's never used a gun before.
She's like for a life flight.
Oh, wait, maybe she
Shoot tires.
Pop!
Yeah, she gets figured. I mean, they heal 2 times. That's
Aw,
not
poor
enough to
thing.
get a fucking
Okay, that was the last shot.
So creepy.
It's cute and creepy.
Right?
When she loses her mind, she's very capable. And that's
I love that we still have no idea what her,
Right.
her deal is and what she can do. But
I hope she got the license plate.
it's a burner vehicle, probably. There's no
Probably
way
ditch it somewhere.
Yeah.
I saved you.
See, I got budget too.
What a fucked day this is.
But I guess it
Yep.
doesn't matter. He's dead already, right? So
I don't think he's dead.
she crazy.
I completely
Yeah.
understand. She, when you think about it, she actually
Just hold him, Kobeni. Just hold him. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I know you killed this old hag.
I don't know what's going on. I was about to laugh, and I don't know how I'm supposed to feel.
Oh, what she did
Is
to
she
the.
laughing?
Oh.
Yeah.
She's done both.
She blacked out on her ass.
I mean, fuck that grandma. Grandpa.
Look at her. No, oh my god. No emotion. Just acts.
I'm sorry, I gotta
I
do
guess that's why Himeno liked her so much. She's got potential in this girl.
It's not.
Actually, yeah.
she's the most.
Drive you, girl. You already at the destination.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Like, girl, let's quit.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, about that.
I saved Denji. I'm done.
And she's so good. Apparently, now I see why.
Maybe let him rest. You know, like maybe.
Better than tricking.
People are like, what the hell?
Fuck is this?
We have a Madoka.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Okay.
Damn.
Yeah, just everyone that's left.
He's under your name.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Interesting.
She got everybody that's left pretty much.
Of all according to plan.
They all have that. Yeah.
Ooh.
Our question will always be whose plan?
He's
Exactly.
resigning?
Yo, I'm out.
Yep.
Everyone has a scar.
What's
God,
up?
her like ending smile of just calm, no emotion, just.
There.
Oh, here we go. Here we
Yeah.
go. Yep. Throw some sus at her. Yeah.
Switching lines a bit.
There.
Okay.
I've heard if I told you what I was thinking.
I honestly thought for a second.
What are you thinking? Oh, that someone in the because they got
Right.
guns.
I mean, I think I
Government
have to
in
know
on
more
it,
ice
Bro,
than
I'm like,
anything.
this had to be from the inside, or there's no way somebody didn't know this was happening and they allowed it to happen. Anyway.
We'd like to ask the
Everybody
same
being
question.
under Makima's control is kind of weird, but
Yeah. Yeah.
No, you won't.